fire outbreak. And now, sorry, you know. You see, Ghana Films Authority. Ghana Films Authority. You see, but it is reported, and we know, said there was a massive fire outbreak at Ghana Films Authority. Of buildings, everything is gone up in flames. Everything is gone up in flames.
Hey, Abusia, Asemaba, Accra Tourist Information Center, a job to home. Assistant Dribe, oh, almost see a Janus party or kitchen side walk. The firefighters, I got an old one, I got another. Interesting, one who is the one aspect. And what's say? You can say Accra Tourist Information Center. And 1 year, if anything, so per se, if anything, tourism, those kind of things, you know, open information, the after tourism, and a year like center, like I say, information. Now, and I do it. Yankebian, a jack for woman. I should say, and the video never through our head. I said, the cat, I say, hey, this is serious. Oh, some of these disasters, Nakasana, would you want to ask? Lebanon is saying, what is the cause?
Our Ghana Films Authority. So when I came across this news, the first thing that came into mind is, that is sad. That is unfortunate. Radia day. And because I radia day, and I made it voice be. My dream, my name said Yakupon Ekasa, and I say, me conscious, say, leave God alone. When I heard the fire outbreak, say Ghana Films Authority, say radia day, I mean a car, but me voice no say, leave a radia alone out of this one. I'm say, leave God alone, say. So after hearing leave God alone, I was a little bit confused, so I decided to go to Home Market. I decided to go to Home Market. So when I got to Home Market, I was going to buy tomatoes, and I heard two market women having a conversation. Two market women in Home Market. So whatever I'm coming to say right now is not either I'm saying it. I'm telling you what the market women were saying, were discussing in Home Market when I went there. I'm just giving a report, telling you what I experienced and heard when I went to Home Market, and the market women were discussing the fire outbreak that happened at Ghana Films today. So this is what the market women were saying. One was saying, a she and they debut. They didn't cry ni a bamba kwaba and ne where she and Ochina wins where she we. And other woman who can say, now how are you surprised about fire outbreak under NDC government? Now NDC for all my mind there, any fire outbreak nenam. So when I heard them say this, I became a little bit curious. So I went to sit down as though I was waiting for somebody to listen further to the conversation. And Mami Baku ka say, now who unkai 2015. Mami say 2015 then I see. Or say kai 2015 January. I said be crying Mami kai 2015 January. And Mami Baku beside me say, Abrante, smartphone. Me say, name of smartphone. And I say, but me actually share 2015 January fire outbreak. Now me say, ne met me actually share now. And to me call Google and me call type 2015 fire outbreak January. And a result me buy. Guess the result that came out. Central Medical Store Tema fire outbreak 2015. But I'm telling you, these were what the market women were saying in Home Market when I went. So I'm say mama no say na say 2015 no under your mama 1.0 no sana Central Medical Store no so ehye and mama no say why are there na Central Medical Store ehye 2015 no government no aban no ye lose sen or mine lose sen and I say according to the report or mining losing more than 200 million Ghana cedis worth of goods. I mean, yes, sir. 200 million Ghana cedis worth of goods. And I buy no losing 2015 January Central Medical Store fire outbreak nemo. And I mean, catch mammy no say, mammy, na den cry na. Wakofa, you see, and now ye kasa, and now we say, I guess we ne Monday, Ghana Film Authority, Eshio. Now ye ka sasema, usi me, after the medical store assembly, and also branch in Yabutre, Untimiya Butre, so rico. So, there be the Menya Butre. And I'll say, okay. Until 2015, ye loses, same, say 200 million Ghana cedis, so okay. Now, and then I see, fire outbreak. Bill. And I see, anytime NDC, I mean, like I said, I see, anytime NDC, I will abide. Now, you hear government office be fire outbreak, no. Never put it on God. Never say, by chance. I'm saying, mommy. Now, why we talk tomatoes? We had them be CID near out to me. Say NDC for what buy mona a jashi baby. You should not say in Yakupo. So, Okacha me say, okay, aside the money, no, I lose in 2015 or Central Medical Store fire outbreak. Go and check the official report. Mami neka say mo. I say me kona check the official report. Enti, me very curious pa. Enti oka sape, and I make film from my phone, and I make check the official report of Central Stores no outbreak, fire outbreak no. Now, uko official reports the ma, clearly stated. Ewo ho ni say medical store she 2015 no. Nipa. Nipa nkrophobia na omuye adwuma wo sa location no omuya ska NDC appointees any some of the workers who were working at the Central Medical Store na omuye be nipa be 12 babaku be 12 they were the one who paid one man. Our labor was asked to say, uncle, you should go and bend down the place. Now the reason was because they have stolen money and they wanted to cover it up. What you here? So they wanted to do away with the evidence. This was John Mahama 1.0. John Mahama 1.0 new tactics. And he said John Mahama 2.0. And I'm look at me say, and he said John Mahama 2.0. Eba abai mu biom na ene ye see Ghana Films Authority eja a consume bibia wo ho a you should use your head, you should join the dots and all those what you want to do. So Ebusianfo, this is what the woman told me. I don't know her. Or tomatoes, or home market. My name no mehunida. But this is what she said. And I think and I believe that one way or the other she might be right. And you know why I believe this more? When I went to see the media reportage of today's fire outbreak, Ghana Films Authority Honum, guess what? You see some people outside who were counting money, and they said the money has been bent. The money has been bent. Ejana ashisikano. So they were counting it. They were sorting it. And I know Krenun Suno, me who scano pout, Mr. Ghana Sikani, a jasheno. And I maybe some say, in today's Ghana, how many government agencies keep money in their offices? In today's Ghana, and I mean, Ghana Films Authority, how many government agencies keep money, hard cash, more offices? Because almost everything has gone digital. And yes, sir. Secondly, and a Monday. Say on Friday, no. Like I say, you close the account and it's scabia, you go and deposit it at the bank. And yes, sir. That's what you do. If you are work in companies and agencies, both private and public, Friday, most of the time, whatever money you have made for the week, you go and deposit it. And say Monday, you see fire outbreak. It was a place where, and then strangely, musi mu the musika de mu de to safe mu. Na safe no mu so no. Ejana temi call wa ashe scanning na no. You see that it does not make sense. It shows clearly, say, there is something untoward that has been done somewhere. And it is what the woman brought to my attention. And because we are family, I also thought it wise to come and share it with you. I don't know what you also think about it, but I think the woman is right.